Welcome back to Alita Cooks. So I decided to make some pork chops in the air fryer and see what it's all about. The recipe will be down below in the description. I just brought some center cut pork chops. Well, I didn't buy them. My son Moses did. Have to give him credit for that one because he wanted pork chops. Thank you, Moses. So like I was saying, center cut pork chops. I stabbed them a little bit so the flavors could be infused in there. And I did the traditional breading process with the egg and the breading. The breading also has Grill Mates Montreal chicken seasoning added to it. And that's what I did for flavoring. And they came out really, really good. So for that nice golden crispy breading, I brushed canola oil on each side of the pork chop. Put the oiled side down first, and then I came back and I brushed a little bit of canola oil on the top side as well. I did not spray the basket with any oil spray. I'm not a fan too much of the spray. I've gotten a little bit used to just brushing with a little canola oil or extra virgin olive oil. Then I cooked at 400 for 15 minutes. And let's see what it looks like halfway through. Checking in, 7 minutes left. And they look pretty good. So I flipped them at this point and I continue cooking. The family said they were delicious. Juicy inside and tender and crispy on the outside because of that little bit of canola oil. And there you have it. These were my first pork chops in the air fryer and I was very impressed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, the recipe will be down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have a great weekend.